Well, ahead of the crucial Bihar elections later this year, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has assured Union Home Minister Amit Shah that he would never again ditch the BJP. The veteran JDU leader has said that he has ditched the BJP twice by mistake in the past, but will not repeat the same in the future. The JDU president's statement has come at a function in Patna where Amit Shah and he unveiled several projects of the centre and the state. Earlier, the Home Minister, while addressing the party workers, had reportedly said that BJP's victory in Bihar will resonate far and wide. Remember, Nitish Kumar has been BJP's ally since the mid-1990s but ended the alliance with the Saffron Party in 2014. He then returned to the NDA fold in 2017 but only to join hands with the opposition's India bloc in 2022. However, ahead of 2024 Lok Sabha polls, the JDU Supremo did yet another volte-face, and after he was sidelined in the opposition bloc and was back in the NDA. My colleague Kritika Tiwari sends us this report.
Fourth times he's taken the U-turn, and that is what he has become infamous for. But this statement particularly saying that it was a mistake to leave NDA is of course coming at a crucial time. Remember, Bihar elections are just round the corner. It will either be announced in the month of October or November. And the current seat share for the Bihar Legislative Assembly is also very interesting, with 138 seats with the NDA, which includes the BJP, the JDU, as well as Chirag Paswan's party as well. And then we have the Mahagathbandhan with the RJD as well as the Congress and other left parties as well, which has a total of 104 seats. So currently in the meeting as well, which Chief Minister of Bihar, Mr. Nitish Kumar, is having alongside with Amit Shah and other Deputy Chief Ministers and stakeholders in the state of Bihar as well, is quite crucial as it concerns with the seat sharing of the upcoming elections as well. But remember, even in just this term of 5 years, 2020, Nitish Kumar had come in power at the back of the BJP. They left it in 2022. The India Alliance was formed. Nitish Kumar was a big player in ensuring that all the opposition parties come together. But when, as you were rightly saying, when the sidelining issue had come up, when Mallikarjun Kharge was being projected as the probable PM candidate and the head of the opposition alliance, when TMC's Mamata Banerjee had also given him his backing, sidelining Nitish Kumar, again, Nitish Kumar had resigned in 2024 and again taken oath for the 9th time, in fact, with the backing of the NDA to form the government again in Bihar.